Today I had the pleasure of enjoying two classic Thai dishes at a street-side eatery in Bangkok, Khao Man Gai and spicy chicken feet soup. Khao Man Gai, also known as Thai chicken rice, is a beloved dish in Thailand. It consists of fragrant rice cooked in chicken broth, served with tender boiled chicken, and a flavorful dipping sauce that brings the dish together perfectly. The spicy chicken feet soup, on the other hand, is a bowl of fiery goodness, packed with bold spices and tender chicken feet that have been simmered to perfection. As I savored the spicy chicken feet soup, I added a splash of Healthy Boy fish sauce, which really elevated the flavors. This fish sauce not only adds a perfect savory depth, but also enhances the aromatic herbs and spices in the soup. If you want to bring the authentic taste of Thailand into your own kitchen, I highly recommend trying Healthy Boy fish sauce. It's not just for soups, it's a versatile ingredient that can enhance a variety of dishes. Click the link below to get your own bottle and start cooking authentic Thai meals at home.